How to fix review Apple ID on App Store. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings, and here I'm gonna click on my account on iCloud. So I'm gonna just click on it, and from here you're gonna see many options. Just focus on the first section, and you're gonna see the third option, which is payment and shipping. So you're gonna confirm that this is your account by Face ID, but I already actually been there a couple seconds ago. So after you confirm the Face ID, you get to see right here, this is the payment methods, in add payment method and the shipping address. In the shipping address, you must add the first name, surname, street, city, postcode. Otherwise, your process of purchasing an app or downloading an app in App Store will not be successful. So you will need to add everything related to your address, whether it was the postcode, city, street, and if you have more information about your address, just go ahead and add it. And basically, whenever you make an action like downloading an app, purchasing, it's gonna be purchased and it's gonna be downloaded in the specific billing address. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.